Alright everyone, so this is your AP question for chapter 11. So I'll begin by reading out the question for you because that'll make things easier. So, every Monday, a local radio station gives coupons away to 50 people who correctly answer a question about a news fact from the previous day's newspaper. The coupons given away are numbered from 1 to 50, with the first person receiving coupon 1, the second person receiving coupon 2, and so on until all 50 coupons are given away. On the following Saturday, the radio station randomly draws numbers from 1 to 50 and awards cash prizes to the holders of the coupons with these numbers. Numbers continue to be drawn without replacement until the total amount awarded first equals or exceeds $300. If selected, coupons 1 through 5 each have a cash value of $200, coupons 6 through 20 each have a cash value of $100, and coupons 21 through 50 each have a cash value of $50. So the first problem we're going to do is problem A, right? So the problem wants us to explain how you would conduct a simulation using a random number table provided below to estimate the distribution of the number of prize winners each week. So this is just to describe our situation and what we're going to do, and this lets them know that we know what we're doing. So what we want to do is be organized, list all the steps, and be specific about what we want to say. So sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, alright, so first we want to know what a random number table is. And what a random number table is these random strings of numbers, right, that we would use random numbers on. So first we want to know how to use that. So when you use a random number table, you start each simulation by starting from the left and going on to the right using all the random number tables. As a pretend simulation, so what we would say is problem A. Okay. Using the random digits table provided below, I would begin at the leftmost digit of the column and proceed to select numbers by using every 2 digits as a number. Okay, now let me explain this. We're not done with the problem, but let me explain this part. See how we're being really specific by saying leftmost, and we have to specify that we use every 2 digits because in the problem, in the problem it says that they draw numbers 1 through 50, and 50 is a 2-digit number. So technically we'll be using 0, 1 to 50. That way they're both 2 digits, right? And that way when we use the number table, we can find the 2-digit numbers that correspond to the numbers between 1 and 50, because the numbers between 1 and 50 are 2 digits. So we want to specify that. We're not just going to do 1 digit for every trial, or for every component of the trial. We also want to specify that, what I just said, the numbers 1 through 50, because those are the numbers we'll use. So what you want to say here is, and here's an example, if the number falls between 0, 1, and 50, make sure you put that 0, 1 to the 2 digits there, then it will be recorded. If the number exceeds 50, then the entire 2-digit number will be skipped, and I will move on to the next 2-digit number. Alright, so let me explain this next part. Yeah, I'll put a dash there. Okay, so what we just did was, we described what we just said, that we'll use these digits and that they're 2 digits. Every 2 digits in the number line will be a trial. So if will be trialed. If the number exceeds 50, then the entire 2-digit number will be skipped. So only use 1 through 50, and know that when you run into a number over 150, like right here, the very first number here that we'll try is 72, you'd cancel that out and skip to the next number, so that way you stay organized, and because you never know what's in a random number table, because it's random. So the next part we want to write was that the numbers will not repeat. So I will not repeat any 2-digit number between 01 to 50 within a given trial. Now this really shows how specific we're being, because it says here that the numbers continue to be drawn without replacement, and without replacement means no repeats. So make sure you remember that. If you forget, they'll probably mark you off for that. And next, I would actually include that you skip 0, just in case that happens, and just do it really fast. So I would skip 0, because it's not in the numbers. Okay, that was really fast. Alright, and the final thing that we want to specify is, of course, how the monetary values correspond to the coupons. So the monetary values are right there. So 1 through 5, 200, and 6 through 20 is 100. We want to specify that we notice that. So because monetary values are assigned to numbers within the groups 1 to 05, 06 to 20, and 21 to 50, I will continue to record the numbers within the row to their corresponding values added together until the total meets or exceeds $300. I think this is pretty specific enough. If you want to include the numbers, the specific monetary values, then you can do that. Of course, this is an actual AP answer, and the AP questions they give you are very timed, and they probably rush through it, so you don't have to. I guess they didn't have to include that, but if you want to and you can write fast, then you should. So that is it. That is your first problem. Be specific and make sure you remember every step.